Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So I had some bad luck this December and snapped a shock. So I thought this is a good opportunity to show you guys what upgrades I'm doing and how to prevent anything like this happening again. So it's on the right hand side of the vehicle. You can see as a very common problem with this suspension, snapped just below the eye. What tends to happen is people over tighten this section, have the cups the wrong way around, and doesn't allow for flex in the joint. What I'm going to do is I'm going to upgrade this bracket to have a hole instead of a pin, which will allow me to go for a pin to pin style shock that will reduce the tendency for these shocks to break. Okay guys, so that's the damage that I've got. So basically the upgrade's going to be another set of Oldman Emo suspension. This lasted me 8 years, really good quality, can't complain, but you know they do tend to break around the eyes. I had to install new shocks, so I'd make sure it's a pin to pin connection, upgrade a bracket that reduces the strain at the eye, and there's a lot more flex in the shock, allowing it to last a lot longer. So if you look at guys like Glenn Lewis, 4x4, all those type of guys, they all run pin to pin connection because it reduces that strain on the eye. So I'm basically going to go through 4x4 Megawald, get the upgraded shocks as well as the brackets and upgrade it. So, yeah. Okay guys, so I'm here at 4x4 Megawald in Edenvale, and basically we're removing the old suspension. But if you look at it from here, let me try and put the flash on. So if you're going to go to pin, these cups needs to be removed, so you can just heat them off. The shocks will last a lot longer, and this is a 300 kilogram rated shock. So yeah, the guys are very fitting it. Okay guys, so as you can see that's the eye and pin, and this is pin to pin. So these brackets allows us to go that route. Guys, and this is the OEM bracket that came off. So as you can see, it's the eye sits here, and then what a lot of people do is they over tighten it, and it also leads to shock breaking at the bottom of the eye just because of the amount of flex. So shock doesn't need to be tightened to maximum torque. It just needs to be able to sit in place and not go anywhere. It will move around and do its own thing in the background. Okay guys, so because we're going pin to pin, this is the bracket that's going to replace the OEM brackets that takes the eye. So as you can see, it's proper quality, nothing majors, but what happens is the guys over tighten it, and yeah, you lose your shock because you still want to maintain flexibility. So yeah, there we go. That's what we're going to put in, and that's what I'm busy with. Okay guys, so just basically finishing up here. Okay guys, so yeah, on my way home, first impressions is the car's a lot tighter on the road. It doesn't feel as loose and bouncing, and so on the way to the 4x4 Megawald, I was doing about 100 k's an hour just because it was feeling so loose. Now I'm comfortably doing 120, and the car feels nice and tight on the road. That's not my normal driving speed. I usually do around 110. The car's a lot more controllable. Guys, thanks for watching, and hope you've learned something, and if you do your suspension, you can use some of the advice I've given you to make the right calls. So have a good one.